What's up, creators? It's been an eventful week in the content creator world. First of all, did we hear about TikTok and CapCut being banned? Well, just as quick as it got banned, it came back. But the chaos left everyone wondering, well, what if the tools that we rely on suddenly disappear? Well, guess what? I've been ahead of the curve for a minute, okay? And I'm here today to show why you don't need to stress about these tools. Today, I'm talking about two powerhouse alternatives I use every day to create stunning, engaging content: Descript and Canva. These tools are reliable, they're versatile, and spoiler alert, they haven't let me down yet. So let's talk about what happened. In case you missed it, TikTok and its video editing partner CapCut were temporarily banned in some regions. Imagine building your content workflow around these tools and suddenly getting the rug pulled out from under you. It's enough to send you into a little panic. This highlights the bigger issue here. Relying too heavily on one platform can be risky. Whether it's a ban, an outage, or sudden policy changes, we need tools that are reliable and acceptable. That's where Descript and Canva come in. And honestly, I've been using these tools way longer, long before TikTok and CapCut was a thing. Let me tell you why. First up, Descript, my secret weapon for creating professional grade content. What makes Descript so special? Well, it's an all-in-one tool for video and audio editing. Here's how I use it. First of all, let's talk transcription. The transcription-based editing. This is the best part for me. With Descript, I can edit my videos just like editing a transcript. Delete a sentence and boom, it's gone from the video. Need to rearrange the content? Just cut and paste, and Descript adjusts the video automatically. Here's another thing, overdub. Need a quick fix if you said something wrong. Overdub helps me type it, and Descript creates my voice to say it. Screen recordings and templates is another thing that you can use. Now, I particularly don't use the templates because I kind of have my own templates, which I'll tell you about in the next tool that I use all the time. But you can do screen recordings right there within Descript, and you can use the templates that they already have to get your format and everything already done. These templates are great for tutorials. For tutorials, I can record my screen, drop in captions, and polish it up all in one platform. I can't tell you how much time it saves me, especially as a solo creator. Descript takes the stress out of editing so I can focus on creating. Plus, it's super beginner friendly, but powerful enough for pros. Next up is Canva. In case you didn't know, I'm a Canva ambassador. Yes, I said it. I love Canva so much. For the second year in a row, I am your friendly neighborhood Canvassador out here in these internet streets. And Canva been doing this here thing long before CapCut was even a twinkle in his mama's eye. Okay. So anyway, let me tell you about this. You probably heard me rave about Canva. Maybe one time or two. I don't know. But seriously, Canva is a must-have for content creators. Not just for designing and branding and storytelling. It does all of it. Okay. It does everything. Here's what you can use Canva for. Duh, like if you didn't already know. But if you don't, let me tell you. Okay, I'm gonna tell you right now. You can use Canva for thumbnails and social media posts. So before I even start a project, the first thing I do is work on the thumbnail. Yeah, that's one of my things. The beautiful thing about Canva is that you can resize all of these things, right? So if, let's say for instance, you had this beautiful YouTube thumbnail and you want to resize it for a community post. Well, guess what? Click, presto, changeo, and you can do that right there in Canva. No guessing dimensions and none of that stuff. Okay, none of that. You can do all of that. You can make stuff for reels. You can do all of that. Of course, there's a brand kit situation also. So you can store your logos, your colors, your fonts, all the things that you use all the time right there. And then your content upgrades. You can make ebooks, you can make guides, you can make checklists, you can do all of that stuff in Canva. So it's not just a one thing fits all kind of situation. You can do all kinds of stuff with it. Canva gives you the power to create like a pro. It does. It just does. Even if you're just designing a background, it has free and pro plans available. So if you want that pro plan, the link is in the description. Here's the thing. TikTok and CapCut are great tools. Don't get me wrong. They're great tools, but they're platform dependent. With Descript and Canva, you don't have to worry if some ban or some policy change automatically comes through. They're independent and they're versatile, which means you can create amazing content no matter what's trending or despairing. So if you're looking for reliable tools to add to your content creator toolbox, these are the ones that I recommend. They're not just tools, they're investments in your creative future. So what do you think? Are you ready to explore Canva and Descript as your go-to tools for creating impactful, outstanding content? If you're already using these tools, drop a comment below and share your favorite features. I'd love to hear how they work for you. And if you're new to Descript and Canva, check out the links in the description to get started. These tools will change the way you create. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification so that you'll never miss another episode. For more tips and tricks and tutorials coming your way, let's make 2025 the year of impact. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces!